Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can import a new phone to the CapCut PC. So I usually download the new phone from thephone.com, and I've already downloaded this Brody's phone to my computer. And what you need to do next to import it to CapCut is just installed the phone first on your computer. Okay, so this is the phone that I downloaded. Just right click on it and then click on install. Now the phone will be installed on my computer. Okay, and after it has been installed, let's see, you can now just open the CapCut apps on your computer. So after the phone has been installed to your computer, it will automatically import it to the CapCut PC. So here I've already opened the CapCut. Just click on the project that you want to edit. Okay, so here is the project, and then just add two tags. Here I'm going to just add a random tags. Okay, now you can just click on the phone options in here, click on the box and search for the phone that you use before or installed before. Okay, so you just need to scroll down on the phone until you on the system phone section, and here is the Brody's phone that I installed before. And to use it, just click on a phone, and that's it. So that's how the tutorial on how you can import a phone to the CapCut PC. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, click on like, leave a comment, and click on the thanks button below. Bye.